Any last little movements here you need to feel as secure and safe, comfortable as you can. Go ahead and take those now. As we're going to listen to this nice healing thunderstorm and do our new moon meditation. Take a few deep breaths, continue to settle in here, and pay special attention to your exhales. Feeling yourself grounding down into the mat, and the floor. Imagine the earth down below that, below your floor and your home. Feel yourself rooting all the way down, connecting with the earth. Are you feeling open? Are you moving with willingness? Are you flowing with the divine plan? Maybe there are some things you need to release. This new moon in Taurus is all about groundedness, pleasure, and change. It aligns with putting relationships, money, and self-care into focus. This is a really good time to commit to personal goals and to enjoy life's simple and physical pleasures, like savoring good food and enjoying activities that bring you in touch with nature and your body. And with this potent Taurus energy, we have the chance to make changes in our lives. But first, is there anything that is blocking you? Nameable or not? Are you holding on to any thoughts or feelings that are working against you? And while you think of those things, remember that the act of release gives clearance to manifestation. So before we focus on what we wish to call in, let's breathe and take some time to focus on creating space. So mentally, to yourself, repeat after me. I release what no longer serves me. I release chaos, confusion, clutter of all kinds. I release the need for control. It's a really important one. I release the need for control. And breathe. Now, considering the things you'd like to attract. So what are you manifesting today or this month? How about this season? What seeds need to be sown in order to feel more alignment in your life? In which ways are you being called to find new and unique ways to nurture yourself and others? Are you taking good care? What is it that makes you feel comfortable and secure, happy, and fulfilled? Still breathing, affirm silently to yourself, I love myself. I am loved by others and worthy of love. Creativity flows through me. I am worthy of all my heart desires. I am manifesting a breakthrough. My path is clear and all roads are open for me now. Keep breathing and remember that when manifesting, we must do all things in gratitude. Remembering how many things we already have to be grateful for really puts our mind into this state of abundance. So mentally to yourself, repeat after me. I am grateful for new opportunities. I am grateful for my happiness, inner peace. I am grateful for being unique and for the gifts within me. I am grateful for clarity and for all in life that I enjoy. Everything is already moving in divine alignment. And so it is. No need to manipulate your breath here. Just keep breathing for a little bit longer, letting your intentions reverberate and come through as you enjoy these last few moments of nourishing rest and stillness.